Welcome all. So now the next topic is source transformation. Very easy concept. So what is source transformation? It is a process of replacing a voltage source. It is a process of replacing voltage source in series with a resistor by a current source in parallel with a resistor, or vice versa. Means, suppose if you have one current source and one parallel resistor, then you can replace it by these parallel current source and parallel resistors to a voltage source in series with a resistor. Vice versa meaning is voltage source resistor can be replaced by current source parallel with resistor, and current source parallel with resistor can be replaced by voltage source in series with resistor. Okay. So now what is value of this current Is? So it is given by Vs upon R. Vs upon R. And what is the value of this R? It remains same. Suppose here 10 ohm, then here also R value will be 10 ohm. So between terminal A and B, I have replaced one voltage source in series with resistor R to a current source in parallel with a resistor R, and current value is Vs upon R. The same concept is applicable for the dependent source also. Okay, the thing is that the dependent variable should not be present over here. So Vs, this is dependent voltage source, is connected in series with one resistor R, so it is replaced by a dependent current source in parallel with one resistor R. Then resistor current value is given by Vs upon R. Now for example, if I have this current source in parallel with resistor, I want to replace it with voltage source in series with resistor. So in this case, this Vs value is Is into R, and resistance value is same. So let's see one example. Question is, use source transformation to reduce the given circuit to a single voltage source. So I want that my circuit should contain one single voltage source in series with a single resistor, and we are having one resistor. So this way I have to replace this given circuit. So in this fashion I have to replace this circuit. So I will use the source transformation. So as you can see here, these 12 volt and 20 ohm are in series, so they can be replaced by a current source, a current source, a current source, and one parallel resistor. Similarly, this voltage in series with resistor can be replaced by a current source in parallel with one resistor. Resistance value is same. So here value of resistance is 20. So here also we will have 20. And here resistance value is 20. So here also we will have the value as 20 ohm. So this way this voltage source in series with resistor is replaced by current source in parallel with resistor. Voltage source in series with resistor is replaced by current source in parallel with resistor. Now what is the value of this current source? Voltage value is 12, resistance value is 20. So current value is 12 upon 20. Voltage upon resistance. So voltage is 12 and resistance 20, so 12 upon 20. Similarly, what is the value of this current source? Voltage upon resistance. So 16 upon 20 is the current value. Okay. Now, so this is my simplified circuit. Now these three current sources, this 3 ampere, this 12 by 20 ampere, and this 16 by 20 ampere are connected in parallel. So whenever current sources are connected in parallel, we add them according to the polarity. As all are having same polarity, we will, in this case we will add. If anyone is having opposite polarity, then we subtract that current. Okay. So what we will do, we will add this 3 ampere, this 12 by 20 means 0.6 ampere, and this 16 by 20 means 0.8 ampere. So I will get the final answer as 3 plus 0.6 plus 0.8 as 4.4 ampere. So these three current sources are replaced by one single current source. Now these 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 20 ohm are in parallel. So I need to solve. So 20 parallel with 20. First I will solve these two parallel combination. So 20 parallel 20 is 20 into 20 divided by 20 plus 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. So 400 upon 40, its value is 10 ohm. So these two resistances are replaced by one single resistance of value 10 ohm. Now after that, this 10 ohm is parallel with this 10 ohm. So again I have to solve the parallel combination. So 10 into 10 divided by 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So 100 upon 20, 5 ohm. So I have replaced my circuit by one current source in parallel with 5 ohm resistor. But in the question they have asked, we want single voltage source in series with a resistor. So here I will apply the source transformation again. So the current source in parallel with resistor is replaced by voltage source in series with the resistance. So resistance value is 5 ohm. So here also resistance value is 5 ohm. But what about voltage value? Voltage value is nothing but current into resistor. So voltage equal to current into resistor. And current value is 4, resistance value is 5. Current value is 4.4, resistance value is 5. So 4.4 into 5. So its value is 22 volt. So in this fashion, I have replaced that complete circuit by a single voltage source in series with a resistor. Now let's say one more example. So use source transformation to calculate V0. So I have to calculate V0 voltage. This can be solved by using various methods, nodal analysis or superposition, and one more technique is source transformation. Okay. So what I will do, I will replace this resistance and voltage source by a current source and parallel resistor. Okay. So this 8 ohm will come in parallel. This 8 ohm has come in parallel, and the value of the current source. Current source value is voltage upon resistance. Voltage is 16. 16 upon 8, 2 ampere. Now see the polarity. Voltage polarity is minus plus. That's why current polarity is downward. That's why current polarity is downward. So 2 ampere current in the downward direction. Now again this 3 ampere and 2 ampere are in parallel, and 3 ampere has polarity upward, 2 ampere has polarity downward. So in this case we will do the subtraction. So 3 ampere minus 2 ampere, 3 is greater. So overall 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So overall I will get 1 ampere with upward polarity. And okay, now I will not reduce this 8 ohm parallel 8 ohm because I want to determine the voltage across this 8 ohm resistor. Okay, so this is my simplified circuit. Okay, next is I can, as these 8 ohm are in parallel, I can use current division rule to get the current value. So according to current division rule, this current in this 8 ohm is given by opposite branch resistance. Opposite branch resistance is 8 ohm divided by total resistance. Total resistance is 8 plus 8, 16 into current value. Current value is 1 ampere. So this much is the current in this 8 ohm resistor. Opposite resistance 8 ohm divided by total resistance 16 into current value 1 ampere. So it comes out as 0.5 ampere. So current is 0.5 and resistance is 8. So what will be voltage? 0.5 into 8, 4 volt. So this way we have calculated the voltage V0 with the help of source transformation technique. If in the question they have not mentioned any technique, then you can use either superposition, source transformation, or you can use nodal analysis method, no problem. But if they have mentioned that you have to solve it by using source transformation, then you must apply the source transformation, get the simplified circuit, and then calculate the current value. Okay, thank you.